enamelware. This is from Golden Rabbit Enamelware, and this is their Dutch oven. Is this cute or is this cute? I love it. And it's a cute little size too. You know, it's not meant to be one of these big, tremendous monsters. Yeah, this could easily serve a family of 2 to 4. Easily. I love it. I love it. Can you guess what this is? Uncommon James. This is the wooden, I think this is the cheese board. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I gotta see. It looked tinier in the catalog. Oh my gosh. Oh no, this is not tiny. This is decent size. So you can see what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is gonna so upgrade my kitchen considerably. I mean, look how beautiful that is. Is that gorgeous or what? I'm almost afraid to use it because it's wood. Oh, but that's beautiful. And I love that it has the sides here. These for, you know, putting your cheeses on there. This is a cheese board. Wow, this is beautiful. Feels so smooth. I don't feel any like splinters or whatever. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels like, you know, they took time to make this, and it's gorgeous. Wow, this is like, feels like a solid piece of wood to me. So it has some weight, nice thickness to it. I adore. Oh my goodness, what would I say is the best thing that came out of this? I don't even know where to begin. I really lucked out with some of the options I was able to pick. I was also able to get some really decent add-ons like the hat. Love the hat. I love the hat. I love the Dutch oven. I love the socks. I love the skincare, the pumpkin spice. I'm like, oh, how cute. I love it. The incense holder, the cheese board. Again, this is what I mean about FabFitFun. It's not just about a certain aspect and that's it. This is truly FabFitFun. I'll say it once, say it twice, and I'll say it again right now. FabFitFun is truly a lifestyle box. I'm just agog, and I'm gonna put the final price up here as to what this all would cost if I had to pay for this full price. Each piece together combined in the box value. It's just amazing to me. I'm pretty happy with this box, pretty happy. What else could I possibly have wanted? I don't know. I don't know. I've got a little bit of skincare, hair care, loving those biodegradable brushes. I'm like, what? I gotta find out what those are made of. And just the pieces, the lifestyle pieces. I mean, it's just amazing. I'm agog. I really enjoyed my FabFitFun Autumn box for 2021. What do you think of the unboxing? Did you get similar products? Let me know in the comments below what you picked for your box if you are a FabFitFun subscriber. Are you an annual or quarterly subscriber? Again, let me know in the comments below. And you know you can find it anywhere. FabFitFun, for first time ever new subscribers, you get a significant discount off. So if you're interested, you can always look online here, because FabFitFun always has a ton of commercials on here a lot of the time. A lot of influencers have a code. It's easy to find. You can even go to the website. But if you don't want to do that, if you want to use my code, I do have one, and I'll just DM me and I will send you the code if you want it. I'm thrilled. I'm excited. I can't wait to try everything out. And yeah, I give this box an A. Simple as that. What put it over the top was the fact that I was able to also be able to get extra add-on pieces, and the add-on choices made a significant impact on the box. If I just got this with the 4 or 5 pieces and that was it, I would have hoped to have gotten what I got in there. If I got it without the diffuser and the hat, would it have made a difference? You know, it would have been a smaller impact. Just the fact that all of that is in there is just blowing my mind. I am over the moon over the selections that FabFitFun continues to bring to its subscribers every quarter. So what about you? What did you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching me, and I hope to see you on my next video adventure. Take care. Stay safe.